Namaskar. Welcome back to India. We're so relieved that you're back. We're also working on the other students from Odisha to return as soon as possible. Could you please relate some of your experiences?
Thank you very much, sir. As we got the notification from the Odisha government on 25th February, we contacted Ravikant sir on WhatsApp about our situation at Ukraine and about our evacuation plan. Yes, sir, mostly students are evacuating through the Romanian-Ukrainian border. We give all the information to Ravikant sir through WhatsApp and contacted him. And after the crossing the Ukrainian border, the embassy officials received us at the Ukrainian border, and then they travel us to Bucharest, the capital of Romania, which is 500 kilometers from the Romanian border. And at the night we had a scheduled flight of Air India, and we came to New Delhi by the flight, from where the Odisha government officials all received us and take us to the Odisha Bhavan, sir. We are now fine, sir, but worried about our friends. They stuck there, sir.
We're working hard to see that they return to India as fast as possible.
Thank you very much, sir. It's all your compliments, and thank you very much, sir, for all your supports. It's really help us all the students there.
Do you have any suggestions by which we can improve this evacuation process, because you are all experienced from that place? If you have any suggestions, please share.
Yes, sir. Sir, we all students are from the western Ukrainian border, so it's less war zonic area. But mostly Odia students are stuck in the Kharkiv region, and mostly Odia students are stuck there. And due to there is the war situation going on, they are only living in the shelter. They are unable to go outside also. So it's really very important for as a Odia students to evacuate all the Odisha students from there, because mostly Odia students are residing in Kharkiv region, sir. So it's very dangerous for them, as they are not getting outside also, no transportation also, and there is a live war going on, sir. So they have lack of food or shelter. They are only residing in the shelter home, and no, there is no food, no blanket. The temperature is going down, and their health also deteriorating, sir. So it's worrisome, sir, somehow.
I've already spoken to the Home Minister and to the External Affairs Minister to help us as much as possible. I'll speak to them again. I'm glad that you have returned. We are doing our utmost for the rest of our people in the Ukraine, and we'll continue to do so.
Sir, I really thank you for evacuating us and saving our life. Sir, my request is, sir, we are from actually eastern part, but my request is, sir, please save our brother's life from western part who's stuck in there. And I request you to, sir, give all the transportation system to reach the border, and please tell the embassy of all the borders of the Poland, Romania or Czech Republic to release them immediately from the border. Sir, my request is, sir, please tell the embassy to relieve them near the border.
All right, I'll do that.
Thank you, sir, very much, sir, for supporting us.
We'll continue to do so. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.